Today we'll talk about this gorgeous flowering plant, Allamanda, in detail, and we'll see how to propagate it from stem cutting, and I'll show you with results. So stay tuned. Hello everyone, welcome back. I am Swati and you're watching Backyard Gardening. This gorgeous flowering plant is called as Allamanda cathartica. You might know this plant by various other names such as golden trumpet, golden bell, or buttercup flower. It's native to Brazil and it's a perennial flowering plant which blooms in beautiful bell-shaped flowers. Comes in different varieties like dwarf variety, bush variety, as well as in vine varieties. Also they come in various colors as well, like yellow color flowers, peach flowers, white color variety, and cherry color. The plant loves full sunlight for flowering, and another interesting thing is this is a very good pest resistant plant. So far I have not seen any pest attack on this plant. Another important point is all parts of this plant are highly toxic. Alright, let's see how to propagate this plant. Take few cuttings with semi-hardwood stem, something like this. In fact, you can take little greener stem cuttings as well, but not very tender ones, not very delicate ones. And make sure each cutting should have at least 2 nodes into it. From nodes, new shoots and leaves will grow. If you wish, you can leave few leaves on the cutting, on the top part of the cutting, but it's not mandatory. You can grow them this way as well. We will see how to propagate them in soil today. However, you can propagate them in water very easily. Just take the cuttings, put it into water for about 2 weeks. Keep changing the water every 3 to 4 days and they will develop roots. Now I will insert each cutting into the rooting hormone before inserting it into the soil. In the pot, I have only garden soil. I have not mixed anything into it. So the same way we will insert all the cuttings into the pot after applying some rooting hormone into it. Now water it well and keep the pot in partial shade for few days and make sure the soil is moist always. Don't let it dry completely. And this is the result after a month. Out of 4-5 cuttings, only 2 cuttings grew well and they developed new leaves and shoots. And I will remove the cutting also from the soil to show you whether they have developed roots or not. I didn't check it yet, so we'll see how it goes now. Alright, let's take it out now from the soil and let's check out whether it has developed roots or not. And it has developed the small roots I can make out, but let's wash it off to see it clearly. Yes, you can clearly see that it has developed nice roots in it. Now at this stage, if you want, you can transfer it to the other pot in a separate pot. Alright guys, that's it for today and I'll see you soon with one more interesting video. Bye bye.